Amelia, from your email, it seems that what you are having difficulty with is not drawing the line that is the boundary line of the region that needs to be shaded, but actually getting the shading in. But I will show how to do both of those things. So since both of these inequalities are strict inequalities, that is, there is no equal to bar underneath there, they need to be graphed with a dash or broken line. So I'm going to pick this tool, the one that has the line broken. And that first line, y is greater than x minus 1, has a y-intercept of -1 or -1 and a slope of 1. So I'm going to go here. There's a y-intercept of -1. It's got a slope of 1, so up 1 to the right 1, up 1 to the right 1, and so on. I could go up here. Now, I just let go of the mouse, or in my case, a scratch pad. If I want to shade above the line, I would need to I could put a dot over there. If I want to shade below the line, notice how my pencil, if I move it to the other side, shades below the line. So it says y is greater than x minus 1, so I want to shade above this line. So I'm going to do that. I just picked a point on that side, and that will fix the shading so that the shading for that line stays on that side of the line. Now I have to shade the other, well, I have to graph and shade the other line. So I'm going to, again, it's a strict inequality. There's no equal to bar there. So I'm going to pick the broken line again. This has a y-intercept of 1 and a slope of -2. So y-intercept of 1 and a slope of -2. So I have to go down to, there I am down to the right 1, down to the right 1. I could keep doing that. I'm going to let let go of the mouse so it fixes the line. But now I have to pick which side I'm going to shade again. Notice if I move the pencil from one side to the other, it will change which side is being shaded. So that inequality says y is less than. So that means I'm going to shade this side of the line. And then I'm done. Notice I can click somewhere else. I can move my cursor around, and that shading stays fixed. And that's how you would go about graphing that system of inequalities. Hopefully that helps. If you have additional questions, please reach out again. Also, something to note, rather than send me an email, for every problem, there's a little envelope at the bottom of the problem, and from there it says message instructor. It's really nice to do it through there because you don't have to give me a whole lot of details. I will get a link directly to the problem that you are asking about. So again, I hope this helps. I will be sending this video off to you shortly.